Hey, this is Ream Taylor with Team Taylor at EXP Realty, coming to you from our newest listing at 2612 Oneal Circle, literally in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Doesn't get much better than this as far as the location is concerned. Right here, close to everything, close to the Galleria, close to the interstate access, Target, everything on 150. Just a wonderful family home. It's a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. Situated on a huge lot, as you can see. It's got a great view, especially in the fall and the wintertime behind me, overlooking the valley over here. Just a great family home. We're going active with this home on Friday the 22nd, and we're gonna have an open house on Sunday the 24th from 2 to 4 p.m. So please be sure and stop by and check out everything this great family home has to offer. The market's still doing great, still hot. Interest rates may be up a little bit, but inventory is still incredibly low, and houses like this just still aren't available. So come check out 2612 Oneal Circle in the heart of Hoover, Alabama this weekend, and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey, thanks again for checking out our video at 2612 Oneal Circle here in Hoover. Hope you enjoyed the tour. It's a wonderful home, as you can see. Plenty of square footage. That basement was pretty awesome, wasn't it? If you want to, once again, we're having an open house this Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m., so please be sure and check it out. Also, earlier in the video, we talked about interest rates being up a little bit, still at all-time historical lows compared to what they've been traditionally. If you want to get an idea of what that looks like for your next home and roll that equity from your current home into your new home and see what that payment's like, be sure and contact us, and we'll connect you with our local loan officer who will be sure and take good care of you. And of course, your Team Taylor agent will find you that new perfect home for your family. To check out all the other homes, the rest of this home, the photos online, be sure and visit us at mynewbirminghamhome.com. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.